eToro Mobile App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Most people get investing apps wrong by assuming they're all the same. eToro Mobile in 2025 offers social trading, crypto, and global stock access, but is it the right choice? eToro allows users to copy trades from successful investors, diversify portfolios, and access cryptocurrencies. The surprising truth is social trading. You won't believe what happens next when you can mirror top traders in real time, making investing more interactive and educational. Another advantage is low barriers to entry. Most people get this wrong by thinking international trading is complicated. eToro allows fractional shares and simple account setup for global markets. However, there are drawbacks. Fees for certain withdrawals and currency conversions may apply, and copy trades don't guarantee profits. Crypto volatility can also pose risks for inexperienced investors. In conclusion, eToro Mobile app is ideal for beginners and social investors in 2025. If you actively follow strategies and understand risks, it can enhance learning and diversify portfolios. Risk-averse users or those seeking traditional investing might prefer simpler apps.